Yes, the recording turned on, and hello everyone, and welcome to weekly news digest of Enecuum Network. And we're pleased to share with you the latest achievements and news about our projects over the past week. And before we get started, just a short reminder that you can ask your question in several ways. You can raise your hand in our voice chat, and we will let you to ask. You can write your question in Telegram chat, and also you can submit it through the Google form, and we will answer it after the main news block. And as usual, the recording will be available in several hours after the end of our broadcast. And with you, as usual, Serge and Roman, and let's get started. First news is about Bug Bounty, and we finally sent the Enecuum for the participants, and ENX will be sent in a couple of hours, I guess, or maybe in the evening today. And I believe that there are a lot of participants, and it's really cool that we have such active community in case of the bug reporting. And Serge, maybe you could add some words about it.
Well, just I'm pleased that people are willing to help the project, and glad that we managed to finally fulfill promises, and so let's move further.
Yeah, and also we have one more news regarding the bug bounty, and it's not very good, I guess, news, because due to the current market situation, we can't afford to pay good available rewards for bug bounties, and we have to stop the payment. So this payment will be the last one, and when the market will get better, we will revive this practice to send the rewards. But now, if you have something to share, you found bug, please feel free to share it with us. We won't forget you. We will fix everything, and when the market will be better, we will reward you. So, Serge, maybe you could add something in this part of news.
I think not. Maybe just this is not an easy time in terms of market state of the market. So yeah, we need to go for it. So yeah.
Yeah, and let's move forward to the next news, and it's about the PWA and progress here. Serge, a couple of words.
So now the main focus, main goal for work on PWA is to investigate reports from users about some bugs or maybe unclear behavior, to understand is there any problem or maybe not. For example, we investigate cases when several addresses with similar stakes receive different rewards in a consistent manner all the time, like a week. So we're trying to figure out if there are any PWA reason behind that, or maybe it is other reasons. So also we double check our fixes on some stability issues. I think that we can say about it that the reports were from not the latest version, so I guess the latest version is free from crashes on the and also there were reports on biometric authentication. We also check if it is correct on the current iOS build of PWA. I think that's all.
Thank you, Serge. And we received a lot of questions, and let's move to the question part. And the first one is about the resources for marketing, and I'll answer that. We are working on it. Now we don't have enough resources for really big and complicated marketing program, but we will solve this problem soon, I guess. And the next question, we are a small project, but we are willing to support you. Could you please explain how your validation process works and how full nodes play a role in it? Serge, please, could you answer?
Yes, sure. So I'll start from the last part of the question about the role of full nodes. So the full node, its main idea just to have a blockchain history and to validate it. So if the full node manages to sync blocks, it means that it's just to check information that we provide in our blockchain explorer. So the idea that of decentralization, that any participant may download the whole copy of Enecuum blockchain and to validate all transactions or smart contract calls. So that is the purpose of the full node. So it has a side feature that you can run own instance of a blockchain explorer, but it is quite resource hungry. So, but it is possible. Yes. So about the validation process, I think there are a lot of insights about our triple algorithm trinity with POW, POS, and POA kind of nodes. So maybe you can ask more, focus your interest, because it is many aspects to cover, very general question. So, but you can check our guides, guides.enecuum.com to start.
We will send the link to guides when we will post the transcription of our episode.
And also you can start with our public testnet called Bit, where you can run all kind of nodes to check how it behaves and to experience the whole idea of Enecuum.
Yeah, thank you for your answer, and let's move to the next question. How does Enecuum ensure that its operations continue to run smoothly in absence of the CEO, and there are other key leaders with the organization who can take over leadership temporarily? So first of all, our CEO is not absent. Mike is working hard to find the funds for Trinity 2.0 and new projects, so on and so on. And in this case, I guess the first part is not connecting to the first part of the question is not about us, maybe, and about other key leaders. So we are a really small team, and all of us do, I guess, practically all kind of roles and combine it from time to time. Serge, maybe you add something.
Yeah, so it is interesting why this question is asked, because yes, I didn't hear any kind of CEO absence, but anyway, this our small team kind of thing, it has own consequences. So yes, we're all very dependent on personality of each member of the team, because it is small. So sure, if any change in our staff may affect how a project will evolve. So that is why it is important to make accent on our development towards open source and governance, because it should not be like one person or I don't know 5-person kind of thing. Yeah, but we made some steps towards this, and I think it's great.
Yes, let's move to the next question. And Enecuum plans to hold events in Colombia, and I'm a small investor, but I like the project. And since they taught me, and I fell in love and invested little by little. So thank you very much. And we will have events in Colombia, so we will announce it later. Our ambassador Rafael will share all the details. Let's move to the next question. And what is Enecuum's main marketing strategy to increase adoption of its blockchain technology, and how do you plan to reach your target audience and increase your user base? First of all, we are looking to the great update of our protocol Trinity 2.0 with cool use cases and with very cool adoption for the current market. And I guess it will bring us users, and not only common users, but companies who will use our features. So Serge, maybe a couple of words.
I think not.
Yeah, then let's move to the next question. And Ambassador Rafael told us in an event about the decision to make payment in physical stores when it will be ready in the platform or in the app, because an external link is not convenient. So, Serge, it's better to answer.
We didn't made so some time ago we very actively moved towards payments in physical stores. We had several partnerships, but now so all those projects, they were blocked by some kind of regulators, legislation updates, and so on. So it is a very resource-hungry work. So for now, we don't have enough resources to move this topic. But it could be done like from independent companies, and one of such company operates in Europe. But so maybe there will be some like payment provider in Colombia. So it depends mostly on the popularity of the coin. I think it with some level of adoption, it will bring enough interest for payment providers to support it. I think something like this for now.
Yeah, and we have plans to improve our voice system now. It's available only in big test network. And as Serge said, we don't have enough resources to finish all the stuff we have to finish fast. And in this case, this system is still available in bit, but we have plans to finalize it and finish and improve. But we can't commit on direct time when we will finish it. So, yes, if you're really interested in this kind of in-demand system, contact me and we will discuss. Maybe you could finalize it as the project by yourself, by your team.
Yeah, I want to add that we never tried in Latin America. We made partnerships with payment systems in Europe and in Singapore. So maybe it may be a different story. But for now, we don't have plans, but we are open for incoming suggestions or opportunities. So yeah, let's see.
Yeah, let's move to the next question. And I'm very happy with the project, and I'm from the Enecuum community in Spanish. Greeting. So yeah, thank you. My congratulations to the team in general. They're doing well, even though we have a late with the launch of the bridge, but they have explained the reasons, and that leaves us calm. Thank you for these words. Yeah, and what benefits do I get if I buy Enecuum? So very, very popular question, and I guess we are super undervalued project. We can't make any financial advices, but just do your own research before buying something.
Maybe it is a question about utility of Enecuum tokens. So it is used for transactions like Ethereum, also for some smart contract calls. So in current implementation of smart contracts, it is the same. So we do not have any extra fees for smart contract calling, but these values can be changed via governance process, so in future it might have additional value. And that's the main thing. So maybe there's some additional points described in our web resources, but the main utility is it's like a mean of payment and blood of the blockchain.
Yeah, thank you, Serge. Let's move to this next question, and it's: I don't like to use KuCoin to buy or sell my Enecuum. I'm a Peruvian, so we will have listings in the future. So we will add some new exchanges, and also when the bridge will be launched, we will create a liquidity pool on Uniswap, and you can use it.
We already have other exchanges, so it is possible to avoid Enecuum, but it may be not great for big volumes.
Yeah, especially regarding liquidity.
And also, you can try to find ways for some OTC, I think, deals, but I don't know if we have some kind of protection for such kind of deals. Not ready to answer this, but after the bridge launch, it is definitely available for Ethereum Ethereum networks. There you can use some kind of smart contracts like escrow third party that assure that some trade will be possible.
Yeah, no, thank you, Serge. And the last question, that I'm from Peru. I met Enecuum by recommendation. What benefits will we have in 1 year? Because I added 5 cents. So we are trying to do our best to add new adoption to deliver all the features we promised and to create Dreams 2.0 as a really cool feature, or not feature, but a really cool product to the market. Serge, maybe you could add something in this case.
I think the whole all our news are some information about what are you getting for your investment. So also we have a series of publications about our plans for future. So is it in Medium? Yes, like this detailed description of our roadmap or points. Yes. So you can read about our goals, and here you can listen about our that we have made.
Yeah, thank you, Serge. And that's all the questions we have.
Sorry. So maybe if you're looking for the last question, if you're looking for some inspiration about how our work will bring to success, so yes, we believe that our work will be adopted by the market, and it would be huge. So yes, but current state. Unfortunately, it is not 5 cents.
Yeah. So thank you, Serge. Thank you, dear community, for your questions, and have a great weekend. See you next week. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you for kind words. Questions.
Yeah.
Thank you.
See you.